Hello and welcome back. Today, this is the topic that we are going to be covering, adding fractions. I'm going to start us off with like denominators. That means our denominator or our number that is down is the same number. And then we're going to go to unlike denominators and what the CFISD way of finding like denominators is. So let's start with like denominators. First of all, the very first thing that you can do, and I want you to think of this as place value. We are going to be adding these right here first. So drop that denominator since it's the same. We don't need to change it. And then all you simply have to do is add the numerators. 1 plus 2 is 3. So our new fraction is 3/4. And here you add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. Super easy when they're the same denominator. But in 5th grade, we expect the kids to add with unlike denominators. Very rarely will you see this in our 5th grade work. So we use something called an EFT. That is called an equivalent fraction table. And the way that we do that is we extend that fraction line out. And you simply count by, in this case, 3's at the bottom. 3, 6, 9, 12. I know that the denominator they have in common is 12 because I've been teaching for many years. And then on top, you're going to count by that number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do the same with this fraction down here. Because we know 4 can get to 12. 4, we're counting by 4's, 8, 12. And up here in the numerator this time, we're not counting by 1's like here, but we're counting by 2's. So 2, 4, 6. So these, now that we have the same denominators, we can rewrite the problem, or you can just add from here. So we know that the new denominator, which is the same, is going to be 12. 4 plus 6 is 10. And then you add the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 is... Okay, now this is where we really get tripped up. Right here, we have 2 even numbers in the numerator and the denominator. That means that this is not simplified to its lowest form. So the way we do this is we say, I know that they can both be multiplied by 2. So 10 is 2 times 5, and 12 is 2 times 6. Notice that the 2 on the top and the bottom are the same, so you can cross that out, which leaves us with the fraction 5/6. So our actual answer becomes 3 and 5/6. The old school way would us be knowing the factors, and I know that 10 is multiplied by 2, so I can divide 2. And whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6 for us old school parents. Either way, so long as they get to the answer, don't be shy in teaching your child how to do it this way. 6th grade is more led in this direction. Thank you. Have a good one. And remember, if you have any questions, comments, or ideas for a video that you may need help with, just drop a comment below and I'll help you.